Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can upload product on Instagram. So first step you need to do is to open Instagram application and click on the plus icon in the bottom, and here you need to select your product image. So this one looks good. Then you need to click on next. If you want you can add filter, so I'm going to add this one. That's look great. Click on next, and here you need to add the caption, and this option is add product details. So here you need to add the title, so I'm going to add shoes for boys, for example, and you need to change the currency from here. So I'm going to select you can select any currency, so I'm going to select USD. Okay, now it is selected. Here you need to add the price, so I'm going to add $80. Okay, once it is done you simply need to click on the done on the top right, and then you need to click on share, and now you can see that product is shared, and here you can see your product image. So this is the process that you need to follow to add product on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.